Hello, friends! The technicians at this appliance repair shop who have been repairing these types of units for many years have shared these tips with us, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. In the workshop, the F5 error in washing machines is almost always associated with a problem in the lid lock system or in the signal that confirms the door is properly closed. What's interesting is that the washer may turn on without any issue, start the cycle normally, and then suddenly stop as if something internally says, "Stop right there," and the code appears on the display. In fact, it's quite common to hear customers describe exactly the same situation. A customer named Robert told us, "The washer starts fine, but after a while it stops and shows F5 for no reason," while a customer named Amanda mentioned that the lid seemed perfectly closed, yet the error kept appearing. These types of cases in the workshop help us identify that it is not always an issue that can be seen from the outside. From a technical standpoint, the most common cause behind this fault is the lid switch or lid sensor. This small component is responsible for telling the control board that the door is closed and that it is safe to start the cycle. When this sensor starts to fail, wears out, or loses contact, the washer interprets the lid as open even when it is not, and that is why it triggers F5. One of the workshop technicians explains it very clearly. If the machine is not 100% sure the lid is closed, it will not continue the cycle. From there, we've also seen cases where the issue is not directly the sensor itself, but the wiring or connectors going to the main control board. Over time, and with constant washing vibrations, those wires can loosen or create false contacts, causing intermittent signals that confuse the system and trigger the error without any obvious cause. In day-to-day work at the shop, the first thing we usually do is check the physical lid closure and then perform a power reset by unplugging the washer for a few minutes. Sometimes customers tell us things like, "I turned it off and it worked again, but later the F5 came back," and that already tells us it's not a one-time glitch, but something more consistent in the safety system. Later on, when the error returns, the inspection focuses directly on the lid switch and its operation. In many cases, this component no longer detects the lid correctly and needs to be replaced. However, if everything checks out fine, the next step is to inspect the control board, because an incorrect reading from the board can also generate the exact same code.